Hello everyone, hi myself Raj Singh and today I want to say some special about this day as today is 21st June 2024 and this is the day of the wedding anniversary of my aunt and uncle, means my father's sisters. A marriage anniversary is today. They are going to celebrate their 6th marriage anniversary this year as their marriage have been done in year 2019. So I want to say some lines, some wishes to them. That is, the plenty of wishes you get, but not just for a year. You will get it for forever. May plenty of your life will be grow older and with sharing love with together. So thank you. Happy marriage anniversary to my aunt and uncle. So friends, I also want to say the moment about my aunt's marriage day. It was the 21st June 2019. 2019. It was the cloudy day here. As the June month is the rainy season, the day was just looking like a rainy, and from the 2 to 3 days ago there was no rain, so everything was okay. Every condition, every environmental process was a very good. All the tents, all the uh, any celebration activities were going to be good. But on the 21st June, on the marriage day, there was the cloudy day, and that fears all the people to, they think that today is the marriage and today it will be to rain, and then all the marriage program will be, we can say, will be cancelled or anything. It will be good or not, it will be celebrated nicely, properly. Everyone want to celebrate any program with nicely. They don't want any errors, they don't want any problems in that to celebrate their program. So in also in the my aunt's wedding, there was a problem to celebrate, but after the 12 o'clock, after the noon, the cloudy weather became into the changes into the sunny day, and it becomes clear, and the fear of the everyone become clear. They now they don't have any fear, but there was a fear on my mother, father, on my grandparents also, that the how the wedding anniversary or the program would be held. If they don't want to be any problem in anyone's need. They, whatever they want, they should get. Whatever they have to do, they will do. Any program is done, then they will participate. Any could have to do, then they have a good position in everything. Not any single errors will be there. So that was the problem on my every on my guardians there, on the host. My guardian were the host, and the host don't have any problem. They don't want any problem to celebrate any functions. Like if there any guest have came, they would be greatly welcome. They will be done everything, and by the grace of the God, everything will have been done properly. There was no error. As the groom's procession was came at the night, then there was not any single problem, not any errors there. As there was the errors of the electricity, then there was already present the generator there though, so there was not any problem there. So such a program, such a facility have been provided in the wedding function, and then there was no problem. I also want to say that this was my first wedding that I have attended, and in my family also, like I have neither attended any family and not yet, right? I have only attended the first marriage, that is the my aunt's wedding program, my aunt's wedding, or my aunt's marriage. And also till today I haven't attended any marriage program there here anywhere in the neighbors, because the invitation have came, but I go for only for the feast and then eat, and then I will come again to the house and sleep. My parents, my mother, father like to watch the marriage, so they go, but I don't like to watch the marriage, so I only go for the feast. And I also want to say that on the marriage day, I was just serving only water. As I was small, I was about 10 or 12 years old at that time on the 2019, and I was 10 years old that time. I was just little boy. Nobody give me to serve any other things, so they'll give me a jug and said to serve water to the all the guests, all the people coming from the neighbor for the feast. Then I did so. I have done all the. I have served the water to all the people, and then after it, I become tired and I slept. Slept. As I slept, I didn't see the groom's procession. As I was slept, the groom's procession have been came. They set into the what we can say the mandap, and then I get up. My mother said that the procession, the groom's procession, have came arrived, and the wedding ceremony has been started. So get up, and I get up. I have seen at least only 1 hour of the function, and then again slept. Again slept just front of the marriage ceremony, as there was a resting place. It was kept, so I slept there. Everybody was sitting there and watching, but I was sleeping there. And after everything procession, after every ceremony have been completed, functions have been done, then my nap is completed. Then I get up, and I have seen that it was about 3:30 or 3:40 a.m. and there was the there was uh, there was the my there was the ending of this ceremony, this function, as my aunt is going to the house of my uncle, and this ceremony was done as uh, my father carried my aunt, and my big father, means my father's brother, has carried the uncle, and then take the 5 rounds of the car and then set them. And my aunt was also crying, as this is done in the every village, every marriage by the every women's there in the marriage. This is the common things. That was not a thing, but everybody was crying there, but I was not crying. But as my aunt have gone to the has left for their house, then I start crying. How I am different from anywhere? Yes, as everybody was crying then, and after going them, everybody become silent. They do now every other works, like they have to clean, they have to make their everything so clean, keep it everywhere, anything that clean every place, etc. And I was crying there. I need a work, but I was crying because I was a small. I was also very loving of my aunt, and my aunt has today gone. And after the 3 days later, I the my what kind of my uncle have came, and aunt also again in the house. And after, when they were going to back to their house, they also took me and a didi that was with me to go there. And me and my didi will go to there, and we have spent there 2 days. And after the 2 day, we and my didi have again came to our house, and then the ceremony have been completed, the marriage, the function have been completed. And then, as to end of this speech, I also want to say a last wishes to my aunt and uncle is that may you celebrate your 6th marriage anniversary today. You will also share your thoughts, your love together, and you will also spend your life, your enjoyable, and you should have everything in your life that you want. So you will enjoy your life, and also you will have happiness in your life, and also the grace of the God will be with you in the every day, every time, every day with you. And everything you are doing there will be good with you, and nothing will be bad with you, and that's the good things. And also there's a happiness, and your life will be enjoyable. So thank you. Happy anniversary to my aunt and uncle.